finally see the light within the dark trees shadowing what's happening. Looking through the glass, found the wrong within the